Prawns Peechinga stir fry. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan. Add half a cup of chopped onions and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Sauté until the onions turn soft. Now, add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. Stir well and let the raw smell of the spices leave. Next, add 1 cup of cleaned prawns and 1.5 cups of cubed peechinga, also known as rich gourd. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything together. Cover the pan with a lid and let it cook. There's no need to add water, rich gourd will release moisture on its own. Once the water evaporates, remove the lid and sauté for another 5 minutes. Your prawns peechinga stir fry is now ready to serve. Enjoy!